the National Fire Service Day is being observed on 14th April, and this day is to commemorate, to pay homage to the firemen martyrs of the country. And from 14th April to 20th April, we have the Fire Prevention Week. This year's theme is Fire Loss is a National Loss. Let us adopt fire safety measures. The Directorate has a continuous training program under the SAFE program, that is Student Awareness of Fire Education program. We are conducting usually for educational institutions, village panchayats, and this week also we will do the same activities in all the village panchayats, and of course the educational institutions which have asked us to undertake some fire safety program, we will do that. Most of the schools will be on holidays, and we will also intensify and extend our fire safety awareness program through FM, through the Doordarshan and the local TV channels. You are also a part of our awareness campaign during the week. A prelude to the National Fire Service Day, the Directorate of Fire and Services launches various programs for the school children. First in the field of poster competition, and this has been going on for the last 9 years. And this year also we will be conducting on 8th April 2018, and the groups are the same: group 1 7 to 10 years, group 2 11 to 14 years. The group 1, the topic will be safe fire, unsafe fire, and group 2, fire accidents can be prevented. And of course we will be having cash prizes. We are holding it across the state of Goa. Every fire station has identified the schools, and we already sent a press note. But this press note again I will share with you, so you can come up with this, so that the students and the parents and the teachers are aware of the places where our poster competitions are being held. The department again to spread awareness in fire safety awareness in the youth and the citizens. So we started the first edition of the Goa Fire Run last year, and this year will be the second edition of Goa Fire Run 2018, and this year it will be a timed run. So it will be a very professionally managed run, and this will be at 21 kilometers, 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers walk and run. During this run is open for the male and female category, and this year we have requested the 4 schools to participate with children. Our firemen will be participating with their fire gears, BS sets. They will be running for some distance, and we will also have pacers coming from Pune and Bangalore to be a part of this fire run. During the week of the Fire Prevention Week, various fire safety awareness programs have been chalked out by the North Zone fire stations, the Central Zone fire stations, and the South Zone fire stations. 15th April, being a Sunday, it is on 15th April at 5 a.m. 21 kilometers run is, we start from the Fire Force training ground to Balbhavan, Miramar Circle, Karanzalam Park, turn back to Captain of Ports, turn to Karanzalam Park, again go to Karanzalam, and then back to via Balbhavan, coming back to the Fire Force training ground. And the same for 10 kilometers, which will be half of 21, and of course the 5 kilometers walk and run. And we will be also giving good cash prizes for the participants as well.